Hi folks, it's Moz here, and it's that time of the year where I film the latest Tamiya Catalog page by page. That's right, on my desk here I've got the 2024 Tamiya Catalog, and you're going to see this in 4K. So if you've not watched one of my videos before, when I do a catalogue, basically I film it in the best possible quality I can, which is 4K. If you want to see it in 4K, all you've got to do is go to the cog settings, so the little cog, and click quality, and then ramp it right up to the highest number you can, 4K or 1080p. I think it goes up to 420 something. But yeah, so do that. Now, if there's something that you see on the page, just click pause, and you're able to see that page in all of its glory. The bigger the telly or the bigger the screen, the better. So blow this up as much as you can. And one other thing is, I get comments about the music. It's just background noise. If you don't like the music, just turn the volume down if you can. I get comments every year about it, but I like the music, and it just puts something else, you know, certainly just there flicking, something a little bit different. So here we go then, let's move into it. Let's go and have a look inside the Tamiya Catalog 2024. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you had a really good look at the Tamiya range for 2024. They do have some quality stuff to come out this year. Ultimately, it is your Bible of, or your almanac I should say, of everything Tamiya, what they've got out there, their tools, their paints, their radio control tanks, their figures, all the accessories. It's a really good thing to get hold of, and you can purchase them at most model shops around the country. If you're a Tamiya tank fan, can I suggest that you have a little crack at the Airfix tanks, because at the moment they've got a bundle deal going on the Airfix website, and there's 7 tanks in this bundle, 1/35 scale. Recommended retail price £300. They are doing a deal where you can get these 7 tanks for £150. I'll leave a link in the description box below to that page on the Airfix site where you can buy that tank deal. And that's it from me. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. To subscribe to this channel is completely free, and I am trying to hit 30,000 subscribers this year, so if you could give that little subscribe button a click, that would really help me. Big shout out to my channel members who help me financially on this channel. If you'd like to become a member of this channel, just click join below and select your membership tier you so wish. If you've not seen my latest video, click here. If you'd like to see other catalogue reviews or page by page films, click here.